Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Apsara. Today we are learn about how to draw watermelon with the help of pencil color. So let's get started. Now I am drawing watermelon slices with the help of pencil. Now you can see two shapes of watermelon. It's a triangular. Now I am using color to fill the watermelon slices in color. First I am using green color. Next I can blend it with the help of light green color. Now I am using red color to fill the slice. When you are coloring, you have to see where is the darker portion and where is the lighter portion. You have to give depth just because it's looking like a real picture. So you can use it little bit darker in where you want to give the depth. So now you can see here it's little bit realistic, like you are seeing how I am giving pressure on it. So you can also try it like that. It will help you a lot. Now I am using brown color to give little bit shading, to give realistic. So next slice coloring is started. First of all I am using brown color to give little bit depth. Next I can blend it with the help of red color. Now it's start to blend. You can also follow it like step by step. I am clarify to you how to use this pencil color. It's very easy for everyone. If you are a beginner, please watch it my video clearly, then you can try it step by step. Now it's almost done. Next I am using green color to fill the outer area of watermelon. Then I can blend it with the help of light green color. Now I am using yellow color. Next I am using green color to fill it. I am using white color to blend outer area and inner area of watermelon slice. White color is using for mixing or merge two colors or giving any kind of lighter shade. Now I am using brown and black color to make it seeds of watermelon. Now I am giving darker shade and making shadow to watermelon. Now you can see how I am giving shade. You can also try it like that, so it will looks like a real slices. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.